At SFW Construction, we are often called upon to assist home and business owners in the aftermath of construction defect litigation. A construction defect is generally defined as a defect in the design, the workmanship, or the materials that result in a failure to construct a building in a reasonably workmanlike manner, commonly referred to as industry standard. Or if the structure fails to perform in the manner that is reasonably intended, usually resulting in financial harm to the owner. The most prevalent defects we face in the Northwest involve the envelope system. A building envelope is the physical separation or barrier between the outdoors and the conditioned environment of a building. Building envelopes help to control moisture intrusion, airflow, and heat loss. In layman's terms, the building's envelope is comprised of the siding system and the weather-resistant barrier. Typically, a building consultant will be brought in to evaluate the building system and identify and classify construction defects. Our region has highly skilled consultants that are expert in waterproofing design and envelope assembly. SFW Construction has a fantastic working relationship with all our local consulting firms. After the consultants identify the defects, they prepare a report detailing the specific nature of the errors. They also produce a written repair scope so the contractor can accurately cure all the defects. SFW Construction's adherence to code, industry standards, and best practices are a major factor in performing these types of repairs. We dedicate hundreds of hours in training our technicians. Our job site supervisors are certified in the installation of mini siding and waterproofing systems. SFW Construction's training and knowledge, along with our exacting standards, are what differentiate us from other companies. Construction defects are a common and systemic issue, and home and building owners should take steps to ensure their property is protected from harm. Whether you've been involved in litigation or not, SFW Construction can be a proactive partner in assisting you detect and mitigate improperly installed defective construction assemblies.